Hi, grade ones. Today we're going to talk about subtraction minus 10. So we're going to look at the hundreds chart, and we're going to go up and down counting off the decade to figure out our answers here. Now, when we started grade 1, we had a hundreds chart that had the 1 at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 100 was at the bottom, which meant as we went down the 100 chart, the numbers got bigger and higher. When you left school, we had the 100 over here and the 1 here, which meant as you got higher numbers, they actually went higher on the chart. Okay, what you have sent home is a 100 chart that starts with the 1 here and the 100 here. So the small numbers are here and the big numbers are at the bottom. And that's what is on your pages as well. So that's why we're going to do it this way. It's really good to know a hundreds chart with the 1 at the top, and it's good to know the 100 chart with the 1 at the bottom. So you guys are super smart because you have already been exposed to that. So remember when we did our calendar, we've been choosing a number and counting off the decade. So we're going to try that now just a little bit. We'll start with the 4. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. If we want to subtract and go backward, we'd start at the bottom number here and go to the small number. So 94, 84, 74, 64, 54, 44, 34, 24, 14, 4. When you do this, you are either adding 10 for every jump, or you are subtracting 10 for every jump. Let's see if that's true. If I start at 24 and I go to 34, let's see if that's 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is. If I go from 34 to 24, let's see if that's 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is. So every time I move up and down in the hundreds chart, it's either adding 10 or minus 10. Okay? So just remember that as we do our problems. On this one, it says when you subtract 10, the tens place digit decreases by 1. The tens place is here. We haven't talked too much about that this year, but it is the first number. The second number here is the ones place. The ones place always stays the same. Do you notice 3, 3, 3? But the tens place goes 0, 1, 2. Okay? So here we have 30 minus 10. If we put our little finger on the 30 and we move up in the number chart by 10, what do you have? You have 20. Let's write that down and figure out if we're right. So we have 30, we minus 10. We're going to take 10 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, because when we minus 10, we just go up in the hundreds chart. We don't even have to count the whole thing. If we have 22 minus 10 and we go up in the hundreds chart, what's our answer? 12. It's just like counting off the decade, okay? So as you go through the rest of these, put your finger on the first number, and then minus 10 means you go up in the hundreds chart and to find your answer. That's how you do this page. Over here, we kind of have the same thing, except they've given you a bigger number. So instead of only going to 30, we now go to 60. That means you guys can do these big questions. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So here we go, 50 minus 10. I bet you never thought you could figure that out. Well, guess what? 50 minus 10 means we count 10 less. We jump on the hundreds chart. It's 40. 28 minus 10, here we are. If we're counting backward, we would go like this. Boom, 18. We just count backward by tens off the decade. That's all we're doing here. And then you'll be able to solve all of these tough questions. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you for learning so much. You are going to be ready for grade 2 in no time. Have fun subtracting using -10.